All right, now it's time for us to write and or draw. And here's what they want us to write or draw about. It says, ask students to draw a picture of something before and after it grows. It doesn't have to be an oak tree like what you read in the book if you don't want it to be. In my mind, I'm thinking of a bird. You know, when a bird, before it really starts to grow, it's in the egg or it's just started to hatch from the egg. And I'm imagining in my mind what I would draw to make that, to help you understand what I'm seeing. I could draw that right here on this page, or I could draw it in my reading journal. Then I think about what a bird looks like after it grows, once it becomes an adult bird. I can imagine drawing a beautiful bird with beautiful feathers right here on this page to show what it looks like after it grows. Now it's up to you what something, here it says, draw a picture of something before and after it grows. It's up to you what you choose that something to be. Can't wait to see your pictures of before and after the something you choose grows.